Yeah, little one. That's all right. Again, a little one's better than getting skunked, like I did the other day. Yep. There he is, y'all. Got me just a little bitty. I saw a little baby right there. But hey, that's a fish. We'll take him all day long. Okay, he just tore my raised crawl all to pieces. We got us one. Guess that's what I'm talking about. He's still a small one, but hey, I'm telling you, I'll take anything they want to give me. Maybe Mama will come see us in a minute. There we go. Little bitty one. Jeff's tearing them up too, up top. Looks like we've hit the nursery. I got one. Yeah, doubling them up. Yeah. Mercy. Y'all see that? He swallowed that hook. I got one. Okay, I got him. All right. Thank you, my buddy. That's all right. You know what? They little, but they fun. That's what I'm talking about. Got him. That's a pretty good size one, feels like anyway. He's fighting. Oh yeah. Oh man. The biggest one, and he comes off. Ain't that something? That's all right. Yeah. Yeah, they all over it, that's for sure. They're all over it. That was Mama trying to tell me she's upset. You know what? I don't even think I was recording on that one. Got a big one?
No, not really. I mean, a big one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they eating something. I think I just got a thing full of, yep. I don't even know what in the world all that mess is right there. Almost like a tree. Fuzzy tree. Son. That's probably about the size I caught a while ago.
Yeah.
That might be the same one.
I don't know. I imagine that sucker's mouth is probably soaked.
He might be. Listen, I hadn't heard from Brandy in a while. How's she doing, and has she found another job?
She's working on another job.
Yeah.
We feel like they found out that she was looking for another job.
Yeah.
And they went ahead and let her go.
Yeah.
And then yesterday at my job, stuff was going on.
Yeah.
We didn't know exactly what. But we went in and they fired 4 of our guys.
Good Lord.
Let them go, and one of them was my best friend.
It goes on sale in 2 days. So I waited. We were up there for the week, so I waited, and I bought that thing for $229.
$3.99, $2.29?
Yep.
Yeah, I waited 2 days too.
Yeah. So. That little small one.
The one over a log, fishing in the Geese River,
Yeah.
and it was hit a log, and it broke the transmission in half. I didn't know it.
Wow.
And that thing cost me $130
Woo.
to buy a new one. I still have to put it on yet. Still touch it.
I hear that. All right. Well, I'll be dog. Right at the boat.
Yep.
That's all right. It is what it is. I caught him out in the middle.
Yep. Yeah, it ain't very deep right here.
Yeah. But I believe I got that on camera, so at least that was my I caught it and it released itself. I'm hoping we're gonna have a good crowd tomorrow for homecoming. There's a few people I know won't be there. They're gonna be out of town, but we usually have a good crowd.
Yeah, I've been excited about the fishing.
Yeah, me too.
Homecoming.
Yeah.
And if Mama don't bring her chocolate light, I'm gonna send her back home.
Uh-oh. Maybe she'll bring it. All that fried chicken gonna get ate up, I believe.
Yeah, I ain't got well too much stuff here.
Yeah.
I reckon I ate so much some of that.
Mm.
I
Just-
mean, I'll eat it.
Yeah. Just pop me out there.
Especially if it's, home cooked.
Pop me in the middle again. Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah. Did it come off? I'm gonna go straight across again.
Yes, sir.
It may be. Is that what it is? I was over at Steve's Pond a couple weeks ago, and on my pedal drive kayak, and he had told me he didn't. Parker, who married Emily, told me that his uncle had put some chemical out there. I mean, that grass was kind of mostly on the sides, but it was still out there, kind of underneath the water some. And man, I had to stop. That thing was just clogged with it.
And I put somebody else in. Yesterday at work.
All right, come on up in here, Bubba.
And you put all that thing like it was.
I know, man. I'm telling you, them little ones is fighting.
And he was talking about how he was supposed to go to the river this morning. And I said, we're going to the cousin's pond over in Waynesboro.
Yeah,
Bass fishing. Yes, and she
that little one.
said, what you going to do with all them bass? He said, we're going to throw them back. He said, he said, bring them to me. I said, well, you live in Florida. Well, I'm not coming all the way to Florida to bring
I know that's right.
fish.
Hmm.
He said, well, call me, I'll come and get them. And I'm like, well, half the time you don't answer the phone. I just stuck with a finger full of fish.
Yeah. They know how to mess a rig up, don't they?
They do.
Good gravy alive. There we go. Go on and grab you one while you're out there. Yeah, them little ones is fun to me.
Yeah, I'll sit and fish them all day.
You know, I would love to see you catch 3, 4, 10 pounders all day long. But you know what, man? This is just fun. It's relaxing. It's a good way just to get out there with a friend or even by yourself, and you ain't got nobody else to talk to, man. Just talk to the Lord.
Yep.
Because I'm sure He's got plenty He can tell us. And there's probably plenty we should be telling Him, you know.
I agree.
Oh man.
You can't fish.
He took it, wanted to run, and then he said, "No, I don't think that tastes too good." No. I would love to do it. Yeah. Yeah. You fishing by bass or pan fishing or what? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you what, this is one nice little, I don't know if you want to call it a pond, a big old pond or a small lake. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
She had lights run back here, and put her bathroom in there with a shower and a toilet and a sink and all that. And it just, to me, it took a little bit away from it.
Right, right. How long's he been gone?
Probably 8 or 9 years.
Really? Now, how does she kin to you?
Betty's first cousin.
Okay,
Yep. She was a great couple of
I got you. All right. I think the nursery has been closed. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you now. I don't believe nobody knows where this place is at. When you made that sharp left turn and then went back right down on the other side of the fence line, and you did say it was out in the woods. Didn't you say that? Of course, I want to meet her today. Maybe she'll let me come back with my kayak one day. Unless I have to be out here with you. And that's fine. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's if I can get him in the boat. Get up in here. There we go. Got him right there, as you said, in the tongue. There we go. That's a little bit bigger than what we've been getting.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you for biting.
Yeah, right back down the road on 56.
Uh-huh.
We'll go back over it, but there's a big creek called Broad Creek.
Yeah.
And that feeds this creek.
Oh, okay.
That's like
Well, I don't think they'll mess with you. Oh man,
stop all that, man.
I had him. You know how that goes.
I was ahead of you for a little
Oh,
while.
you?
It was about even.
No, I got to get on the stick to catch you. See, this is home turf. This is advantage you. Yeah.
He's trying to catch no bluegill and shell cracker. And all the big bluegills is swing them back.
Yeah.
But they just so hard to swing. They get to eat.
Right. Right.
Hard to sell.
Yeah.
So we was throwing all of them back. But you couldn't fish. We were fishing fishing.
Oh, okay.
You couldn't fish it too bad.
Yeah. You know, you're talking about a gator. I'm not worried about a gator more than I am a moccasin coming up on me.
Yeah, well, he said he was a small one, and his daughter, Amy, actually bit the hook him in the tail and was able to pull him right up
Oh,
to it, and he got off. So he must be a little bitty thing.
you probably bent that hook. Even a small one, that tough hide.
But yeah, every year she goes to do my office. So, that old pontoon float up there, they like to get out here and ride the jet skis and
Yeah.
all that. And his grandbaby, she don't let them go in here.
Right. You saw it, did you? Oh, you got one too. Oh, I got him again. Oh, have mercy. He come off and jumped back on it.
You sure that ain't the one that just bit mine?
It might be.
Put him on my hook.
Well, y'all, a fish is a fish, my friend. I don't care how small he is. If I hooked a minnow, there might be a story behind it. So. Show it to me. Show it to me. I'm going to put him on video. There we go. Another little one. All right. Jeff's got me 20-1 out here. Yeah, I like being in the passenger seat back here's fine with me. That sun hitting that water across there makes it look like there's a sandbar coming across. Is that right? Y'all had any rain this time? Yeah. Right. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go over to June Ellen's ponds Monday morning, and I've been on there one time just on the bank and caught a pretty good sized bass. But she said I could go anytime. Of course, I think it's Renee's. All right. Good. I got one too. Uh-oh. Well, he took my worm. Yes, sir. That's a good one there. That's a good one. Show that one, Jeff. Yeah. Oh yeah, man, that's a good one there. Absolutely. No. Yeah. Jeff just got him a good one. Uh-oh. Randy has got him one too. He is big, but that's all right. Uh-oh. All right, Mrs. Flopper. Good gravy alive. Come here. Yep, mine would fit inside of Jeff's. Hey. I believe I got you when you was bringing him in. And I'll let you know when I upload it so you can see it. But it'll be probably a week or so. I got one. I got two right now that I got one I hadn't done yet. No, it's J Randy Outdoors. Now that's on the YouTube, but yeah, I do put it on my Facebook page too.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Must have been a tiny one because he didn't hold on long at all. There we go. There we go. Yeah. That's a little bit better. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, hey, hey. Ow. Now you just made my hook go in me. And I don't like that at all. None at all, any. And you tell them folks you sorry. You tell them. Yeah. It's all right. We'll take him. And this is my idea of a good time right here. You know, because when you don't catch nothing like the other day, after about 2 hours, it's like, man, I'm ready to go to the house. But you have those days, though, you know. Yeah. That's right. I'm gonna put on this Bass Pro Sticko worm. It's that Sooner Run. Let folks see that. Yeah. Get him. Yeah. He hungry. He's hungry. Yeah. Yeah. I know what you're saying. What'd you get him in that little cubby right there? See if there's cousin. I think you pulled his. You almost pulled his whole head off. Yeah. Uh huh. Did you bring any more of those?
I did. I got a whole pack.
Okay.
We'll probably get some more in that old pack, but you know, I ain't caught no worms in, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 years.
Yeah. They may not want this this color. I may have to go back to the green pumpkin. 'Cause that's what
I'd love to try one of those.
that's what they've been tearing up.
I like these because I see them and I know they see them.
Yeah. If I don't get nothing on this cast, I'll try one of them. Cause that's all you've been using, ain't it?
Yeah. Normally I don't.
Yeah. I like to try a few different ones every now and then. Just making that hole right there. I believe he got my worm. He sure did. Yeah. I mean, suck. No, he got the O-ring. If you want to throw me one, I'll try it. Okay. Oh no. I'll just try one of them. Here, I'm gonna get that back to you. One rat. I'll do it at wacky rig. This is Strike King. Okay. Definitely got some funky designs on it. We're trying. What was we saying?
Sweet potato.
Oh, okay. They may like it the way you're doing it, because I'm just letting mine drop.
Well, I do mine like this to texture to it because it don't catch as much air when you throw it.
Right.
But it flies through the water.
Yeah. Water must be going out down that way.
Well, the whale's right over there. And when we get over there, we got to watch out because there's always a daggone off there.
Oh yeah, don't get close to that.
Weeds and all that part of the seed.
Yeah. That's another reason I'm not fond of.
That thing, my hook's bigger than you. I ain't even look at it.
Uh-huh. Something hit him, didn't it?